everybody, welcome back to Joystick. Welcome back to Joystick. We're starting right back up after that last joke in that last episode that made Koopa laugh like a hysterical old man wearing a girdle. Anyways.
I never realized his little icon there in the corner is different
The
now
little
than when it is later.
Oh. Spoilers, shut the fuck up.
His isn't. His is the same.
Oh, okay.
This is bullshit.
I'm gonna call Isaac Blue and Jeffrey Green. Oh shit.
His name's Garrett.
Garrett Green. Makes sense. Did you just die, Isaac?
Yeah.
Were you destined to die?
Yeah, this is one of those forced lose fights.
That's stupid. Wait, are you actually dead?
No.
Why not? We could have beat this
Because
game.
then there'd be no game, really.
We would have beat the game so much faster.
Fuck, 2 episodes, that's it. And one of
Oh.
them's only like 30 seconds.
Oh shoot. Oh good, it auto. I fixed my watch so it auto resets at the top of the 10 so it goes back down. So we're really not losing any time.
Shit.
So like I didn't have to reset the timer because that's something I always forget to do. 3 years later. Everything looks fine. Looks like that boulder was no big deal. People died, but that's okay. People die all the time. Infant mortality rate is up recently.
Whoa.
Bad joke, Jelix. Cut
Yeah.
that out. Don't cut it out, Jelix. Let them feel the pain. What? Isaac, haven't you finished mending the roof? You're almost done? Okay, keep at it. You didn't even say anything. Don't even lie. You're just assuming things. You know what they say about assuming? It makes a sum out of E and as. Isn't that right, Koopa?
Right.
That's right. Hey ya! Hi! Hiya! Yeah! Yeah! Hee still. What are you staring at? Is that a grave?
It's a pillar.
It's a pillar?
Mhm.
Oh. You got the hand of God on your side. High five. Nice. Feng Shuiing, dude. It looks really, the synergy in that. The synergy? The physinergy? It's all connected. Isn't that that's what they say, right? Synergy?
It's synergy, yeah.
Okay, when like things you feng shui, it's like
Yeah.
synergy in this place is amazing. Or, wow, look at me making artful connections.
Yeah.
Is it like always fall here, or is those trees dying? Are those trees dying? Not is those trees dying? My bad.
I don't know. It's just a stylistic thing, really.
I got that stuff in my mouth again.
Still?
I don't know what it is. I think I need to sip some liquids.
Might be a good idea.
Hi, sorry.
Learn to fucking read.
Like, I don't think is anyone really caring? Like, I have like 2 subscribers, basically.
Should I just be skipping through all this?
I don't know, man. I'm having a good time regardless, but you guys, do you want me to read it? Leave a comment below. And we might just do 5 episodes. So 5 episodes later, we might actually start reading it. I don't know yet. We'll see how far this goes. I'm having a good time. You're having a good time. Having a good time. Nothing stop me now. Don't know the other words of this song, but I'll keep singing it for now. But Jeremiah was a bullfrog.
You okay, man?
I am not okay. I just can't wait for Verlet or Lupus to come over here and be my baby. That's a great way to fix
Am I
the
not
roof.
good enough for you?
No, you're not. I'm sorry.
Fuck.
You haven't been around. It's lonely.
I've been busy.
Yeah, well, that doesn't excuse anything. You know, all your problems in life can't be fixed by energy drinks. Fizz-energy.
I mean, they're being fixed right now. Look at him patch that roof.
You know, you've corrected me. I stand corrected. Fucker. Is it really safe to be standing on a roof made of hay?
No, you'll see. It gets worse.
Oh, did she fall and die? Oh, God, I hope she breaks a hip.
Whoa.
I know, right?
That's my mom.
No, it's not. Your mom is a turtle.
Whoa. You're making assumptions you can't cash.
I have plenty of cash. I got like $100 in my wallet. Please don't steal from me. Do you think it would be any different if you had stronger abilities? That's what I thought. Are they talking about the past?
Yes.
That's what I thought. It's what I thought. Be gone, thoughts.
Well.
I felt all alone. Taking up some time, but
She's better now.
I still have you, Isaac. Is his dad dead?
Yeah, he was one of the ones that got crushed by the boulder.
Oh, your dad's dead. Wait, my dad's dead. Ma'am! Hello, Jenna. Good morning. Yes, good morning. I'm gonna be up here and say good morning too. We're all gonna fall through the roof. Garrett, I'm Garrett. Green Garrett. Isaac Blue. His mom's title is Blue as well. Do you notice that? It's like their last name, almost. Oh, it's more like a purple, but whatever.
Oh.
Huh?
Oh.
What?
I didn't know why you were calling them blue and green. I was like, I mean, Isaac's wearing blue.
No, I'm calling because they're backgrounds.
Yeah, I gotcha.
See? God. Can they just fall through the roof already? I want to have this fall. Oh, you're gonna speed it up so they fall through the roof for me? Or is she gonna fall off the roof like Santa Claus did in the Santa Claus movie? And then Tim Allen, the tool man, became Santa Claus. Anyways, she's very upset about her father and her husband's death. Be careful, ma'am. Whoa, did she fall through? Oh. Is his foot stuck?
Yeah.
Where's she? Did she fall off? Or
She
what?
fell off the other side. Or down the other side.
Did she die?
No, she's
Why-
standing right there.
But, like, she's old. And, like, if she fell from that height, she wouldn't be okay.
Well, she didn't hit the ground.
Oh, he's
She
about
just,
to.
yeah, he broke the other.
Quit hurting the roof. I put a lot of magic into fixing this roof.
Yeah, that was a
And
whole
magic
two.
comes from
That
sacrificing
was like
virgins to Almighty Lord Satan.
that was like 3 synergy points you just made me use up.
Synergy? Fiznergy? But anyways, they're all confused. I'm pretty confused too because I have no idea what's going on.
Essentially, we're just like, hey, we're gonna go up to the place that the rock fell from to go learn about alchemy.
Oh, cool. We're gonna go to learn about rock and roll. Wait, Garrett. So this is very plot heavy.
This is the early part, yeah.
I mean, I guess that makes sense. Dude, I bet you, like, everyone at home's hearing that click, 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 click right in the mic. I wonder if it's driving anyone insane. Probably me later when I'm editing. Kinda sounds like you're fapping. Wait, that's right. Memories.
Free.
Alright, where are we heading to the rock? We're heading to the Rock and Roll Hall
Oh,
of
we gotta
Fame.
go this way first.
My voice is giving out already.
Oh, that's unfortunate.
I know.
You should drink some
Hey,
water.
Gearham. Where is my water?
Where'd you put it?
I think I left it upstairs.
Damn it.
Anyways, I'm all alone.
You had one job.
Cradin? Cradin? Aladdin? A whole new world. We don't have to go willingly. So those are the bad guys, right?
Yeah.
You know how I can tell?
Because they've got ominous music.
That was gonna be my first thing I was gonna say, but I figured you'd think I was gonna say that, so I was gonna say they have red eyes. And red eyes either means you're albino
And
or
they've
you're
got,
evil.
and they've got darker backgrounds.
But I'm-
He's got, look at his dark red background.
Crimson blood red.
Yeah.
So
hers
I-
is like a dark purple.
By like the transitive property of congruency, red eyes mean evil. So that means that albino people are evil. Isn't that right? Why is red the color of evil, anyways?
Because people assume hell is red.
Red is hell is actually a nice cyan blue.
That would be sweet. I would be into that.
It's cyan blue with the blood of blueberries. Actually, that's more purple. Blueberry blood's purple.
It's also juice.
It's blood if you think about it hard enough. Everything has blood. The floor has blood.
Floor is blood.
The floor is blood. Get up. I just kicked my trash can, guys. I'm sorry about that, but not too terribly sorry. Dude, how much have we actually done in these past 2 episodes?
Well, we started the game.
Mm-hmm.
We did the forced fight.
Mm-hmm.
We're about to go up to Mount Alf.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
That's pretty much it.
Mm.
Welcome to RPGs.
Mm-hmm. mm. Can you do nothing? What do you want us to do? I want you to go into my popsicle and get a basement ship. I mean, I need you to go in the... I got some... Oh, that's the end of the episode. Anyways, we're going to lock it down here. Subscribe to become a Kiki to unlock future content. Let us know what you're thinking about this. Like, subscribe, tell us what you want to see in the comments. Smash that like button, all that jazz.
Smash me.
Smash me right in the mouth, snap my neck. Anyways, bye guys. So what do you think of this playthrough so far?
It's good.
I can see your dick. It's real nice. You want to see mine?
No, I'm good.
Okay, fine. You don't know what you're missing out on.